I had a case where 2 lieutenant colonels in the Air Force for 30 years got married, both on their second marriage, both had kids out of the house, canceled his life insurance policy because he bought $1 million life insurance policy, even emailed his wife saying, now I feel at least comfortable, God forbid anything ever happens to me, you'll be taken care of. So he dies within 2 years of the buying of the policy of an aortic, burst, right? I mean, he died like instantly. In Colorado, if you die within 2 years of the issuance of the policy, the carrier gets to go back and look at the application process to see if you misrepresented anything, right? Because it makes sense to some degree. I mean, if you lied about having cancer and you go and you buy a ton of insurance and then you die 6 months later, it's like, well, I get to go back and say, hey, you died. You knew you were going to be dying, So they did that. Long story short, they went through and on the application online, there's this, do you have any pulmonary issues? And then there's a drop-down box with a link to another page that explains what that means. And in there, it describes sleep apnea. Well, the guy he snored a lot, so he was on a CPAP. That's it. When they found that out, deny the policy, we're not paying you. $1 million to 2 lieutenant colonels. It got all the way up to the federal 10th Circuit Court of Appeals. I got to go argue in front of the 10th Circuit on this one. I thought I was gonna, really make a good point on this one with our veterans. I get up there and they brazenly just say, hey, look, if he had checked that box for the premium he paid, he would have only been entitled to $587,000 of insurance. And I said, so then at least pay that. Where's the check on that? No, we don't have to. We don't have to pay anything. The court agreed. Federal lifetime appointees, 10th Circuit, they agreed. To me, it's absolutely absurd.